Hello everyone. Right, well, as you can see, I've done the turntable now, and I've actually put a sensor in this one and wired it up to my Arduino, so we can actually see that working. Just find my Arduino. Right, yeah. So here's the output from my Arduino, and as we turn this round, we can see that we can read the angle. So we started about here. Where's my pencil? Yeah, pencil. So that was this one. Can you see that? There we go. You can just see it, can't you? Yeah, so that was not when it was over here. Well, we can bring it back. Yeah, there we go. Look. A bit too far. Yeah, we can get there eventually. Well, anyways, you can see as it goes round that we can see the angle. That should be about 180 there. Yeah, well, I just missed it. There we go, 180. You can see that it's 180. What's this? Well, another quarter of a turn. What's that? 270? Yeah, 270. And then we go around at 360. Well, actually, it will go 360. It'll go 359.99 and then go 0. And we're back to 0 there somewhere. And we keep going again. And so basically it goes from 0 to 399. Well, so we go all the way back round again, and so we can bring back, it'll still be at 0. Right, there we go. But yeah, so that'll sit something on it. The idea is that we turn this as we're scanning. I've made it so we do it by hand, but as we turn it, the program's going to actually keep scanning as we turn. So you know, well, when I finish building it, yeah, you'll see it. So our next bit is I don't need this now. Well, I'll just pause that a minute. Our next bit is this piece. Where are we? Done that bit, this piece here. So we need to make that piece, and that'll go on top of the bit we've made here. And then I can attach this arm that we made at the beginning. I haven't done this sensor bit yet, so let's go for this. I've cut all the pieces there, so abracadabra, there's all the pieces. So I've got the two what I've called them bracings. I've got top and bottom in here, and that's the base, and these are the other bracings, right? So put them to one side. I've cleaned them up. First step is to stick these two in here. So these are going to go like so. Let's just do a check. Make sure they're going to go in there. I might have to file these down like I did the other ones. And also I need to change my glasses. Yeah, I found that I've actually used two bits of board, different pieces of board. Oh, actually that's going to go in there. Okay, that I think. Or is it a bit tight at this end? Yeah, it's going to go in. It's really tight fit. Hardly need any glue with this. Right, so let me just check the other one as well. So that's going to go in there. Yeah. Like I say, if you get them properly lined up, they should go. But you know, shall I go? Actually, no. What I'm going to do is I'm going to make it. I want to be sure. So basically, what I'm just going to do is just take a little bit off the edge there, just to make sure that I can actually start them in the slot. And they're going to slide nicely. So Yeah, best to be safe than sorry. Once you've got all the glue on and you start sticking it in and find it won't go in there, it may be that you need some help. The thing is that the white bit on the other side as well, if it's a bit tight, this stuff is really thin, and if you catch the edge of that, it starts peeling off. It won't go in the hole. So yeah, just make sure of it. That's all. So I think we're good to go with that. So let's get some glue on. Oh, anyway, I think that's set in there. Let me just clean that out. I'll pause it. Right, that's that cleaned out. So yeah, it's just like I say, good tight fit. So it's going to need very little on this edge. Oh, I got it in shot. Yeah, let's make sure. Yeah, let's stick one of that in that slot. The white bit to the outside. Oh, that just fell in there. That's good. That was nice. Put the other one in the other side. There we go. Stick that in there. Get it lined up. Like I say, get it perfectly lined up, and then should just slot straight in there. There we go. Like I say, I've designed this with sort of like bracing on there and everything, just to stiffen it up. I mean, it's quite flimsy as this stuff when it's on its own, but if you've designed it right and you put the right stiffness in, it becomes a really solid lump. So now we need to just do all these. Have I got all that in shot, I think. There we go. There we go. Hopefully that will all fit together. Get them in that end first, up to the edge. Let's get it started, and then they should all just push in. There we go. Like I say, once that's in, that's a really good solid piece of arm that doesn't bend or anything. I've made it as small as I could, because I only want it to be, well, I want it to be like a desktop scanner, you know, something that'll fit on top of your desktop. And also, I mean, this design should be able to be scaled up pretty big as well. So we've got all those in. So the next bit is these two pieces. Well, while I'm on, I've got these 4 tabs down here. I just want to make sure they're going to go in easy once I've got everything on. The difficult bits is these bits here. So what we'll do is we'll just thin them up a little bit. It's not much. I don't know if I can show you how little I'm taking off. I mean, it's a cat's whisker. That's all it is. It's just basically I'm just smoothing the bit of rough. Anyways, so yeah, that's gonna. Which one's which? Right. Yes. All right. The small one goes at this end. The big one goes at that end, and the small one goes at this end. I think what I might do is I don't know whether to have them both facing that way because it'll look nice, but I think I might put that. I might put with the white to the outside. Let's just stick with the white to the outside, I think. So that's going to go in there. So what we need some glue along that edge, and well, which one have I just done? Oh, right, so that one. So yeah, bit across that edge. That edge. Is that right? Yeah, bit across that edge there. Right, that's them edges. And let's just, I'll just check the picture first. Yeah. Let's just check the picture. So we're doing that. Right, yeah, so it's a small one at this end here. Just, yeah. I mean, I designed it, I know what it should look like, but, you know, just check the picture. I mean, I can't see what I'm doing, I've got the picture in a way. Damn. There we go. Bit down there. So that, yeah, we'll have the white to the outside. So that should slot in there like that. He says, hopefully. Let's see how well this goes. Oh, right, I think I just need a bit of... Hold on, I need to get some leverage on this. Yeah, so it slid down, but I had to get a bit of pressure to just push that in there. So that is now made that really tough. Let's do the other one. So that's going to go in there. I think the glue actually helps it slide in. So yeah. That's in there. And then we need a bit in there. Bit in there. Bit in there. Bit in there. There we go. And this one, yeah, we'll go with the white to the outside again. Am I in shot? I never know whether I'm in shot or not. Right, that's going in. Oh, that one went a lot easier. That all went all the way down. There. Just wipe a bit of excess off there. Where's my knife? There we go. Right, so that's going to go like that, and that is going to go like that. Right, I've got 4 more tabs here. I just want to make sure, the middle one, I just want to make sure they're going to go in nicely, so just going to give them a bit of just a little bit. I just want to make my life easy, that's all. Yeah. Strange stuff. I mean, there's tolerances on how thick. I mean, it's 3mm thick, but it could be sort of like 2.99 and 3.1, something like that. The tolerances, you don't know. So that lot should just fit in there like that, he says. Yeah, it looks like it is. It's going to be a bit of a, might be a little bit of a struggle. I've got quite a bit of complicated shape there, so let's just get some glue on there. That might help it sort of go in there a bit better. I'm in shot, yeah. I think I've got everywhere I need glue. Well, if there's not enough glue on there, I don't know where. Don't know what it needs. But anyways, so let's try getting this end in fit. Oh, that went in. Right. So now this end. once they get lined up. Oh, there we go. Just fell together. Brilliant. So I reckon that now is all ready for mounting on top of the other piece. So yeah, now it's all together. It's as solid as a rock. That there is really tough and strong. So yeah, the next stage is I'll bolt that on top of the other one, and what we can do also is I can attach the other piece here on there, the arm. I don't know if you can see that, but the arm's going to go on there. And then what I think I need to do is in the next video is sort of reposition off my bench to something that will give you a bigger view, because it's getting a bit big now. Anyways, until the next video, catch you later guys.